Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Little bit out of breath this morning. Was doing a whole lot of things. I'm bringing you this Dollar General haul that the coupons to me are okay this week. It's okay. It's some nice little deals that you can put together and everything. I went yesterday afternoon late, and so I'm bringing it to you this morning. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I did was the Colgate Palmolive. I forgot what other things goes on with Fabuloso Suavitel deal. It's like if you spend $7, no, I'm sorry. If you spend $10 or more, you save, I think it's $2. I think it's $2. I done this deal. But on my other, when I done the deal before, other than the other last week, it didn't work for me. So I'm thinking that I have to mix and match, because I was did with the Palmolive and it didn't really work. But I did it Saturday and it did work. Okay, so I don't know what was going on, but I did the Colgate mouthwash. There is a $2 digital coupon. All of these are digital coupons, okay? So I did the Colgate mouthwash. That was $5. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, and this is the 1 liter, okay? The next thing I did was the Colgate toothbrush, and it was Max White, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching to the toothbrush. The toothbrush is $3. So you want to make sure you try to get the $3 toothbrush. And this one says Max White, okay? Then the last thing on the Colgate deal I got was the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It is $2.75, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. So you want to try to get the Max Fresh. But also, like I always tell you all, to scan it on the app if you can, to see if the coupons attach, okay? So after all 3 of those, the $3 that, I think it's either 3 or 2, y'all, I'm so sorry. It did come off, and I will show you all my receipt on the store discount, okay? The next thing is the Coca-Cola. There is a digital coupon that is attaching to the Coca-Cola cans. It is $1 off of 2. These Coca-Colas, let's see, how much are they? They are $1 a piece. So, they are $1 off of 2. All right. So you might as well say you're getting them, both of them, for 50 cents each or $1. Okay. The next thing is the U by Kotex. These are the 50 count liners. And the U by Kotex is $3.25. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Also, if you have Fetch, you might want to go ahead and scan this for Fetch, because U by Kotex is one of the companies that is on, one of the brands, I'm sorry, that is on Fetch. And then also you might have a, I think it was, if you spend $40, you get, I think it's a 5,000, which is like $5 for total. So I have a little ways to go, but hopefully by this weekend, I've been and reached it. So if you have Fetch, if you want to join Fetch, look in my description And there is my code to join the fetch. Okay, you get additional money once you scan your first receipt. Anytime you scan any receipts, you do get some points. Okay, I'm thinking that the lowest points you get is 25, but I'm not for sure on that because I think everyone's account is different. Okay, the next thing is these, I think they call Chere'er salsa, and then also they have guacamole. They are buy one, get one free. Okay, these are $1.50. There is, like I said, a digital coupon for buy one, get one free. If you don't like the salsa kind, you can also get the guacamole. So you can mix and match if you want to. I don't care for the guacamole. I love guacamole, but in this brand, I do not care for their guacamole. It doesn't taste right. Okay. The next thing. All right. I'm going to bring both of these together. All right. So both of these ties are $2.95. Okay. But there is 2 digital coupons that is attaching to both. There is a $1 digital coupon. Then there's a $2 digital coupon. I'm sorry. Yeah, the $1 digital coupon is attaching to both. Okay. But the $2 digital coupon is only attaching to the Tide Simply Pods. Okay. Only attaching to this one. And there is, in the $2 one is actually a Tide, just regular Tide. I'm sorry. A regular Tide digital coupon. So I'm thinking that this glitching. So if you want to get these Tide Simplies, if you like them and you have multiple numbers, go out there and do your deal. Get them, because then the $2 will attach. But if you put both of these together, okay, you want to give her the Tide liquid first so the dollar can come off, because you're going to be paying $1.95 for this. Then you can either give it to her the next one, or you can give it to her last or in the middle, however you want to do. But if you're paying for both of these in the same transaction, you want to give them the liquid first. He or she, whoever is ringing up, the cashier, if you got both of these in the same transaction, you have both of the coupons clipped. If you have both of the coupons clipped, okay, then you want to give her the Tide liquid first, then give her the Tide Pods, because the $1 will attach this Tide liquid, then the $2 will attach to the Tide Simply Pods, making it only 95 cents. Okay. So let me show you on my receipt of what I'm talking about. But my subtotal was $8.40. Yes, $8.40 for all of this. And I think that's not bad. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So you see the Tide Simply, that's the liquid, $2.95. And there's the dollar digital. Then there's the Chere'er salsa. There's there's the Cherry Coke and the Coke Zero. You see both of those. Now the discount is going to say 50 and 50 because it's actually a Dollar General digital coupon. Okay. The next thing is the Kotex, $3.25. There's the $2 off digital. Then there's the Tide Simply Pod, $2.95, and there is my $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, only making it 95 cents. That is a good filler also for Saturday for your 5 off of 25. Majority of these are good fillers, okay, for your 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right, so then here are the 3 Kotex. There's the Kotex, was it the Max Fresh, which is the toothpaste. There is the Colgate Max White toothbrush, and then there's the Colgate Total Advanced mouthwash. So look at, see where it says store discount? That's where it came off as far as the extra when you spend $10 or more on the items. Okay, always look for store discount. If you don't have, then sometimes the store discount can be a digital, but this is the savings, because here is the digital for the mouthwash. You see where it says right there, digital coupon, Colgate, $2. Then there's my subtotal, $8.40. Then look at my total savings, $16.50. Yes, $16.50. And there is my 5 off of 25 for next Saturday. See, next Saturday, okay? But we did get, did we get a, I can't remember if we got a, I think we did get a digital 5 off of 25. Because when I go into my account, I just clip. But I do think I seen a 5 off of 25 digital. There's just not no paper. The paper is for next week, because you know this weekend is 4th of July. So I'm thinking that's probably why they didn't give it to us as a paper. I don't know. But this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's channel.